Hey guys, so today I'm coming in with a bit of an update. Just really been working on the sheds, but as you would have seen, we got the in that last one of the last videos, we got the hoist up, we got the cars stacked, and Joel's pretty happy with the video. Helps out the any of you guys that are doing installs. I've actually, a few people have reached out just to thank me for doing the video. It sort of helped me out a bit. Just a couple of things, the instructions were missing, so that's good. I've finally managed to get all the crap out that I was storing and put it up in the racks. So that's been good. But I think it's time that I get onto this, get onto the 1-tonner. One of the things that's been delaying me is I need to work out how I'm going to get this cab off the actual bloody, off the chassis. So I was thinking of making a some sort of gantry crane or something like that. I think that'd be ideal, but then I've got to make that to then bloody pull this thing off. So I need to build a trolley for the cab, so that way I can sort of wheel it backwards and forwards. The idea is I'll bring it up here somewhere so I can slide the cab backwards and forwards as I'm using the working on the chassis. I do want to go and get it. Go and get everything sandblasted, so we'll see what happens there. But I can be working on one thing while the other thing's being sandblasted, etc. So I've got the two, a couple of 308s there. It is a beautiful thing. This is the one that came out of the ute, and that's the one I did the quick video on the other day around the engine, the blown engine. So between them, we'll get something going for. Not sure if I mentioned, but the idea is that 308 will go up in the Monaro, and the 350 that's in the Monaro will go in the ute. So we'll see how that works. So that's it. That's it for the back shed, and we'll go check out the front shed. So now we're in the woodworking shed. I've got to improve the lighting in this joint. It's pretty dark and dingy, but you would have seen some of the other videos where I'm getting this cleat system working. I've got my first bit on here, so slowly working around here. There's my workbench. It's really just you've got sort of this side, sort of the storage side, and the idea is this side will be the woodworking side. So I've got to clear up a lot of the crap going on down there, and relocate it. But it's going to be, it will work well as a workshop or a woodworking workshop shed thing. So and I'll be able to start making some making some shelves and drawers and storage and everything like that. I've got a heap of these things lying around, full of nuts and bolts. Of course, to get to anything, you got to unstack them one from another. So I've got the pot belly there. Video. I always forget which side those videos pop up. And so I've got to make, the idea here is to put some corrugated iron on the wall, and then I've got a heater for the front shed, because you can only suck in so many gas fumes on the gas heater. So I thought I'd just explain a little bit about the channel. and you know, and the reason for the channel. I wanted to put a dedicated video up, but generally it's all about getting in the shed. I'm just a guy with a YouTube channel. I've got a day job, and it's not a hands-on day job. I think people need to get out and work with their hands. Don't know what you guys do, but my job's sort of generally stuck behind a desk or behind a computer. So it's good to just get out and make something or achieve something, you know, something tangible that you can make. You can step back and you can look at it. So I built that. So that's the whole idea behind the channel. So there we go, guys. Just a bit of a shed update again. You know, I do one of these every now and again. I've definitely got to get back into the 1-tonner up in the other shed. I want to finish off this woodworking area so we can get some actual projects going. I know a lot of what I'm putting up is really based around setting up the shed, primarily because that's where I'm at the moment. It would just be a lot easier with everything's sorted out. We're up to like 210 subscribers, which I'm over the moon about. So thanks heaps for that, guys. Really appreciate the support. Anyway, guys, follow the videos, subscribe, and as always, love your work. Get in the shed.